Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Manzur Ahmad Ganai, lecturer History Boys Higher Secondary School Tral. Our today's topic for 12th class students of our institution is today. What do you mean by the Varna system? What are the functions of different Varnas in ancient India? Dear students, let's define Varna system first. Varna system has a number of connotations, number of meanings. However, broadly speaking, the division of society into four Varnas or castes in ancient India was known as Varna system or caste system. There were mainly four Varnas which existed in ancient India: Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Shudras. Brahmanas were at the topmost position, Kshatriyas at second position, Vaishyas at third position, and Shudras at fourth and lowest position. According to Dharma Shastras and Dharma Sutras, which were the religious books of Hindus in ancient India, all functions of the society were divided into these four castes or categories. Under this system, under the Varna system, under the caste system, the status of a person in the society was determined or decided on the basis of his birth. Means, if a person was born as a Brahman or in a Brahman family, he was to be a Brahman for the lifetime. If a person was born as a Kshatriya, he was to be a Kshatriya for the lifetime. Or if a person was born as Vaishya or Shudra, he had to be the Vaishya or Shudra for the lifetime. Even if a Shudra was noble, good or efficient, his fate was not to change. He was always to be a Shudra. The Brahmins considered that this system, this caste system, this Varna system was divine. That is, it was made by gods, it was natural, it was not made by humans, it was not man-made. And it was thought that all four castes must follow their functions and norms with dedication and with honesty. The important functions and duties which were assigned to four castes as per Dharma Shastras and Dharma Sutras in ancient India were: number one, Brahmanas. Brahmanas enjoyed supreme position in the society. It was believed that the Brahmanas were born out of God Brahma's head. Their main function was to perform yajanas, study Vedas, impart education, take gifts, and advise rulers. So, the Brahmanas occupied the highest position in the society. Any religious function without Brahmanas was considered incomplete. And the Brahmanas were given a special honor in society. They enjoyed different privileges and facilities as well. Number two, Kshatriyas. Under the Varna system or caste system, Kshatriyas attained a position next to the Brahmanas, meaning second important position was given to Kshatriyas in the society. Kshatriyas are believed to have born out of God Brahma's arms. Their function was to rule the state and defend it and respect the Brahmanas. So, the Kshatriyas' function was to rule the state and defend it, means that they had to be the warriors and become the army to defend the country and the empire and respect the Brahmanas. Number third were the Vaishyas. With third place in the society, Vaishyas were believed to have born out of God Brahma's thighs. Their function was to cultivate land, do trade and business, and do all other activities related to agriculture or the trading activities. Number four, Shudras. According to Dharma Sutras and Dharma Shastras, Shudras were born out of the feet of God Brahma. So they had to serve the three higher castes, means Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, and Vaishyas. And they had to perform the functions of servants, laborers, slaves, and do all other menial works or inferior works in the society. They faced all exploitation, and upper caste people inflicted atrocities on Shudras. So Shudras occupied lowest position in the society. And this is what is important about Varna system and function of different Varnas in ancient India. Thank you.